Watch filmmaker actor Farhan Akhtar talk about Mumbai Film Festival and the financial crunch being faced by it here in an interview. Here, he spoke about the roadmap and the long-term plans that the organizers and the filmmakers are taking to get a permanent solution to the festival's financial crunch. Further, he also revealed who all have donated money for the festival apart from actor Aamir Khan.
मुश्किल समय में जो है पूरी फिल्म फेस्टिवल मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो एक साथ आई है, जैसे कि बच्चन साहब ने ट्वीट किया था फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए।
जी बहुत सारे लोग आगे आए हैं जिन्होंने अपने तरीके से अपने अपने हिसाब से कंट्रीब्यूट किया।
Do you come to film festivals to give inspiration or to get inspired?
Well, I think it's both. It's both. I think people who share their films, they are hoping that they can, of course, engage and inspire other filmmakers. Because not all films that you see, they are idea films. They are films that have been chosen because they're representing a certain culture. They're trying to educate you in some kind of way about filmmaking, about the filmmakers, about stories from various places. So you do get inspired, and I guess the people whose films do come, they have inherently a quality in them, I would hope, to inspire younger filmmakers and younger minds to think not only in one particular kind of way as to how a film can be made. Because every filmmaker not only has a different story within the film to say, but also a different story behind the scenes of how they put the film together to say. So there's a lot of inspiration.
Due to paucity of funds, would there be any curtailment in the facilities as compared to the earlier film festivals?
Well, I'm not so sure exactly. I know that it definitely has been scaled down, but that on some level is.
On what terms, Farhan?
In terms of the size of the opening festival, probably in terms of the number of screens, maybe that is happening. There was a certain grandeur that was associated with the festival coming until now, especially over the last 4 or 5 years. In terms of the size of the events that would happen, just the kind of money spent on each event. So there will be a certain degree of holding back on that.
Right. So what is a permanent solution from the film industry's front?
Well, that is the roadmap that is being worked on. Everyone has gotten involved at a very late stage when suddenly it was realized that this film festival may not be happening. So currently the good news is that the festival will continue. And now going forward, we have a whole year ahead of us to sit back, pool everyone's resources, everyone's minds together, and come up with a permanent, lasting solution, so that we don't face this again.
फरहान, आखिर में जानना चाहेंगे किस तरह की अलग मूवी मिलने वाली है इस बार?
सर, इसमें एक रोस्टर अभी रिलीज होगा, एक शेड्यूल रिलीज होगा, जो स्क्रीनिंग शेड्यूल है, उसमें सारे नाम हैं फिल्म के, सारे टाइमिंग्स हैं, जिन स्क्रीन पे फिल्में दिखाई जाएंगी. And it's a wonderful selection of films from across the world. तो मैं बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि जो फिल्म के ट्रू फैंस हैं, सिनेमा के जो फैंस हैं, उन्हें बहुत मजा आएगा इस फिल्म.
Do you think Naami is a platform where basically for Indian filmmakers we have a platform where we can showcase our talent?
Oh, well, of course. I mean, the thing is, the world is watching this festival. There's filmmakers who will attend. There are a great deal of interaction that's going to happen, exchanging of ideas and just of time and minds. And it's a great place for a young filmmaker to showcase his work.
But does it get picked up?
Well, of course. Of course it does. I mean, there is a whole process through which films that do matter on an international level or do matter on purely just a cinematic level, will be showcased. So yes, absolutely.
Farhan, any particular film that you're planning to catch?
Sorry?
Any particular film that you're
Well, the thing that I'm actually looking most forward to doing is the interaction with Christopher Doyle. To me, he's somebody, like I mentioned, is someone whose work I've truly, truly admired, and that he will be here to exchange his thoughts and his feelings about cinema with all of us is something that I think is going to be very, very
Last
inspirational.
time your biopic, Bhag Milkha Bhag, was featured at Naami.
That's right.
Right here. Yeah. Have you seen the biopics that have come out this season, like Mary Kom and all? What's your
No, unfortunately at this point, have I seen what?
Mary Kom?
Yes, I have seen Mary Kom. Yes.
What's your thought on the film?
Well, I enjoyed Priyanka's work tremendously. I think she's done a very, very good job.
Well, I wanted to ask you about your film. Can you talk about your character?
Sorry?
Can we
Can you
stick
talk
to the
about your
festival?
No, unfortunately, I can't speak about the film just now. It's too early. But if you want to ask me anything regarding the film festival, I'll gladly answer.